And what's up, y'all? This motherfucker's already going, bro. I told you I gotta do the intro. Patient bitch. Anyways, yeah, so just finished washing the car with this fool Caesar. The other homie with the Camaro next to me. Fucking sucks. I don't have a camera. Can't show you that shit. Damn, what the fuck? This fool's already going. Let me just follow him. Hold on. Can't do an intro in peace. Fuck. But anyways, going to a car meet today. It's dedicated to Paul Walker or some shit like that. Posted by A Automotive and I forgot what the fuck the other, I think SoCal Bangers or some shit like that. Where the fuck this fool go? Oh, there it is. Alright, catch y'all there. I'll update y'all. I gotta catch up to this fool. Got some whips right here. What's up? This fool tried to fucking cut the line and shit too.
Oh, yeah?
You saw that shit? I don't know if you saw that shit.
Oh, yeah, his license plate by the phone.
Cheap ass thing.
And you was taking pictures of whoops?
You saw that too, huh? With that cheap ass Mustang that cut me off, bro. Damn, that's fucking Merrill's clean as fuck. Damn. Another location already, bro. That's fucking crazy. Shit pretty poppin' though. Surprised it's not dead. Little Subi. Hey, Super Woo.
Yeah, I'm not lying. I forgot how this one looks like.
Too slow?
Yeah. You?
I kinda remember. Just because of the race. Wait, what car did you say he was by though? Okay, it is nice. Sheesh, that's clean. Little Type R. 5.0. You think so? Just see it, just look for Nowdy. Probably look for these, probably see that from. Fuck. Guess we're gonna wait for him then. Are you telling me right here or what? I feel like that's a car. Oh, I see him right here. I'm fucking dead. Oh, Beamer.
Beamer in like 2 weeks.
Oh, Integra.
I do, I'm a security guard for Beamer. I'm a hard guard.
I've seen that metal before. Damn, about to get copyrighted like a motherfucker. Little 5.0s. Oh, Supra. Damn, these smell good, bro. Little rubber.
Not the way I do it. It's expensive, yeah. So the thing is, though, I don't let the homies do it. If you guys want work, I say like bring someone. Oh, you know what I'm saying? That's more easier that way for me.
No, this one. Yeah. Sheesh. Little rotary. It's just packed though. Okay. Okay. There's some footage. This is clean as fuck. Must be nice to have money.
That was fast. Yeah.
She look clean for old. Is it your homegirl or is it someone else? Oh.
Yeah.
Sick ass first. The other side or what?
I can't find the recent one. The other one's it's in his actual account. And I should have. Yeah, it looks better. This is right after the first one. Yeah.
There's traffic over here. Never mind.
I was looking at this one. There was a camera right there.
No barrel.
I tried to gas it. Yeah.
Crazy ass Lambo. About to be a thumbnail. Cap. Sick ass one. That's cool. This shit right here is fucking dang. Cheap ass cops.
Hey, where is Roar? Does she see us?
That's crazy. One of my fucking lights, one of my lights is only working. That's crazy. Oh, got the whole 6th Street Bridge right here. Everybody's just chilling. I'm gonna go see the rest of the whips. Little Hondeezy. Mustang, alright. Pretty active. A lot of people outside. I think the homie's right here. Or at least I think he is. Saw him around here somewhere. Oh, there he is. Charge. Ghetto bird. Oh shit. Where the hell come back?
Fuck those foods. 50
Hey, you ain't fucking that bitch good, she needs some good pipe. Finna swing the SS, where we at tonight? Where we at? I just shifted that bitch a second and I took flight. Sheesh. I ain't with all the barking, homie, I'm all bite.